Pet care. Cats. Cats. Cats make great pets. They need safe homes to roam around. Cats need fresh food and water every day. Some cats like dry food. Others like wet food. Mittens likes both. Cats need a litter box. This is where they go to the bathroom. It needs to be kept clean. Cats need toys. They like to play. They like to climb and jump too. Patches plays with the toy mouse. Cats have sharp claws. They need a place where they can scratch. A scratching post is a good thing to have in your house. Cats are clean animals. They groom themselves. Their tongue acts like a hairbrush. They use their paws to clean areas their tongue can't reach. Cats communicate with sound. They meow loudly when they want attention or are hungry. They purr softly when they are content. Cats need to see a veterinarian. This keeps them healthy. Boots gets his checkup. Cats sleep a lot. Some cats sleep 18 hours a day. Sammy sleeps in the sun by the window. Things cats need: food and water, a litter box, toys to play with, a scratching post.